USA pays and relocates Afghans who lost families in bungled drone strike. 10 people were murdered in a botched U.S. drone strike in Afghanistan in August, just days before American forces left the country, and the Pentagon has given their families an undisclosed amount of money in condolences. When the Pentagon announced its commitment, it included ex-gratia condolence payments, as well as working with the State Department to help displaced family members relocate to the U.S. On Thursday, Colin Kahl, the Pentagon's Undersecretary of Defense for Policy, had a virtual conference with Zemari Ahmadi's employer, Nutrition and Education International, which was murdered in a drone strike on August 29. Kwon founded N&EI and was its founder and president. Kirby described Ahmadi and the others slain in the attack as innocent victims who carried no responsibility and had no connection to ISIS-K or posed a danger to American troops. 10 people, including 7 children, were murdered in the Kabul drone attack. This attack was carried out in response to an impending danger to US-led forces at the airport as they finished the last phases of their departure from Afghanistan, the Pentagon said earlier. There were instant allegations, however, that the drone attack had killed people, including children, in the area west of Kabul's Hamid Karzai International Airport. The video shows a vehicle wreckage scattered across a building's courtyard. After the attack, the Pentagon called it a tragic error. A suicide bomber from the Islamic State murdered 13 U.S. soldiers and hundreds of Afghan civilians waiting at the airport gates for evacuation planes after U.S.-trained Afghan forces disintegrated and the Taliban took control in Kabul in mid-August. As a result of the civilian casualties, some have questioned the effectiveness of U.S. counter-terrorism operations in Afghanistan in the future.